guys, I've uncovered 10 fantastic entry-level remote jobs for 2024, and chances are you haven't come across any of them. If you enjoy these insightful videos, show your support by hitting the like button, turning on the notification bell, and subscribing. So let's dive into the list right away. Alright, so number 1 is the prompt AI writer, and this is a career that is absolutely blowing up in the last few years, and this is where you use AI such as ChatGPT or Bard or Midjourney or any of the number of other AI softwares that are coming out in order to create prompts, and these prompts can be used to streamline and automate operations within a business. Now there's many different ways you can use this. You can work directly in a business by getting hired by them. You could also be a freelancer that works for different businesses, and you could also start your own agency, and you kind of just go into a business and you fix the operations, or you can just make prompts and sell them. And there's websites such as PromptBase where people are actually doing this right now and making a tons of money. And if you don't think that prompt engineers can make a lot of money, well, I've got some news for you. There's AI prompt engineers earning $300,000 salary every month. Moving on to the next opportunity, the entry role of a tech sales development representative, SDR, also known as a business development representative. This position serves as a gateway to the dynamic field of tech sales. It's a phenomenal starting point as it blends the invaluable skill of sales with the unparalleled industry of technology. In this role, you can step into the tech sales realm without needing prior experience or a college degree. Surprisingly, an SDR earns between $63,000 to $95,000 annually. Yes, you read that right. A remarkable entry-level position with substantial earning potential. Explore the world of tech sales and kickstart your career in one of the most exciting industries out there. Moving on, the next career path worth exploring is that of a content marketing associate. Content marketing has become a pivotal strategy for brands and businesses, utilizing social media to create content that build brand identity and promote product or services. From tech startups to e-commerce giants, various companies across the spectrum are actively seeking individuals for this role. Here is an intriguing tidbit. Email marketing, a subset of content marketing, boasts a remarkable 38x return on investment, with every $1 spent yielding $38 in return. Content marketing associates typically earn between $49,000 to $772,000 annually, offering flexibility in how you choose to capitalize on this field. Whether you opt for traditional employment, freelance opportunities, starting your own business, or even building a personal brand, there are diverse avenues to harnessing the potential of content marketing. I've personally delved into creating my own content, and I've shared my journey on this channel as well. Sure thing. Up next is the role of a presentation designer, someone who crafts visually appealing designs to create engaging presentations. These presentations are crafted to effectively share information and captivate audiences. Typically, these positions are sought after in sales, marketing, or when creating pitch desks for potential investments in a company. Opportunities in this field can be found in job listings, and there is a thriving market for freelancers on platforms like Upwork. Freelancers often charge around $50 or $40 per hour for their services. It's crucial to specialize in a particular industry, as being an expert in the subject matter is vital when creating these presentations. Focus on specific niche to showcase your expertise and stand out in this exciting career path. Next up is the role of a technical support assistant. Think of it as a customer service position, but with a focus of troubleshooting technical issues. This typically involves helping individuals with technology-related problems, whether it's customer or fellow employees reaching out. The salary for this position ranges from $44,000 to $65,000 per year. What makes this position stand out is that a college degree or prior experience is not a prerequisite. It's an accessible field to enter, making it remarkably straightforward to get started in technical sort. If you are a tech savvy and enjoy problem solving, this could be the perfect entry point for you. Now moving on to a super accessible option, becoming a chat specialist. Picture it as a customer service role, but with a twist. Instead of talking on the phone, you'll be engaging with people through messaging platforms. Many companies are actively hiring for this position, as it's becoming the preferred way for customers to seek assistance without the hassle of making phone calls. Chat specialists play a crucial role in resolving small issues efficiently. It's not the most glamorous job, but it's an easy one to jump into. The best part, no need for a college degree or prior experience. Annual earnings typically range between $37,000 to $57,000 in a year. Check out some opportunities on the screen as well, which I will display in the description box below. It might be the perfect starting point or a temporary gig to boost your income. Now let's talk about being a Twitch chat agent. A cool gig, of course, where you assist live on Twitch websites. If you're not into Twitch, it's a platform for live streaming, mainly games or sometimes news. As a Twitch chat agent, you engage with the community, chatting with viewers during these live streams. Surprisingly, it's a paying job at around $30 per hour, and the best part, it's a work from home setup with no degree requirement. While being a Twitch user helps, you don't need a college degree or prior experience. It's a straightforward entry into the job. Easy peasy. Now let's chat about being a news staff team researcher. A job where you help a news company like a newspaper or online publisher by collecting and checking info for news stories. Your role is crucial in supporting journalists. They usually pay around $38 to $40,000 per year to start, making it quite accessible. Some might want a college degree, but they often aren't picky about which one. The cool thing is that previous experience isn't a must. Depending on the news company anyways, it could turn out to be a pretty good gig. Next up is the role of a search quality rater. These folks work with search engines like Google or YouTube. Their job is to check how well the results match with what people are looking for on the search engine. Even though search engines use advanced algorithms, human input is crucial. Search quality raters help improve the overall quality of what you see when you search. They make around $44,000 to $73,000 in a year. Next up is the role of a lead list builder or a lead generation specialist. Basically, these folks hunt down potential buyers for a product or service. Imagine scoring the internet and then finding people who seem interested and then creating a list for them. The crucial part is making sure these potential buyers are a good fit. You pass this list to the sales team and they reach out to these potential buyers. A skilled lead generation specialist can make a massive difference, like 10 times the impact on a business. That's why they earn around $65,000 to $120,000 a year. No college degree is required, but some companies might prefer experience. You can learn the ropes through free or affordable online courses on platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn, Skillshare, and all the rest. Plus, it's a great option if you are thinking about freelancing or starting your own business. Moving on to the last remote job on my list is, let's talk about being a medical record specialist. There are many medical related jobs, and the good news is they usually pay well and are quite easy to start. No college degree is required, or even a past experience is required in most cases. They are stable gigs with lots of remote options. As a medical record specialist, your job is to keep patients' medical information in order, making sure it's accurate, confidential, and easy to access in healthcare settings. By the way, I did a video that completely went viral for work from home jobs that pay. You can check it out here. Thank you for coming to the end of this video with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Do try them out and give us your feedback in the comment section below. See you in my next video.